Hey, let me show you how you can turn off the Talkback on the Redmi A3. So as you can see now it is actually activated, and if you want to turn it off, I can recommend you to click and hold the volume up button and the volume down button together. So let's try it. I'm gonna actually hold it like this, so together at the same time, and just keep holding all the time until it will be turned off. If it doesn't work, you can also try to release both buttons and simply repeat.
Music volume set to 6%. Music volume muted. Music volume set to 0%.
Okay, it looks like this method is actually not working, but it is actually recommended on the Redmi website. So we have to go step by step. Now we have to just swipe up with your two fingers like this. Now swipe down one more time, select the settings and then quickly double tap. Now scroll down with the two fingers again, go into the, okay, not that much, go into the accessibility, select and quickly double tap. Now select Talkback and quickly double tap, and now click on the switcher one more time, quick double tap, quick, click, select stop and click double tap. Two times. Wow, I'm sorry for this. My English in this video is actually terrible, sorry, but I'm not native speaker. But yeah, we actually successfully turned it off. So that's all. Right now, please subscribe.